All right. Today we are talking about a 2011 Dodge Ram 3500. The vehicle had a no run, no start condition. The solution ended up being the key. Now, we didn't just go and replace a key, we actually diagnosed the system, which means testing further than just doing the actual replacement of a key. The diagnostic procedures calls for testing communication, making sure voltages are okay and grounds are not intermittent, making sure that the engineering part of the key is actually there, and the cylinder actually turns the key the way it's supposed to. In this case, we had performance codes for the key. Performance codes normally mean that the key is no longer functional, no longer with us. Testing it with this type of machine, which is a key transponder reader, we were able to determine that the key no longer represented the car's best interest because it was no longer for the car. Now it was showing for 2015 Buick, so not really the 2011 Ram that people had. In this case, the solution towards getting the vehicle to turn on was replacing the key, programming it. Once the key was programmed to the vehicle, well, part of the programming procedure requires you to acquire the PIN. If you have the right systems, getting the PIN isn't that big of a challenge. So we got the PIN number for the vehicle, and after getting the PIN, we were able to solve the issue. Not the hardest thing in the world, but definitely one for the books. Definitely one for the books.